My name is Nima, and I'd like to tell you what Students for a Free Tibet means to me. I joined SFT back in the mid-90s, and I started one of the early college chapters. And at the time, I had almost no experience in organizing, campaigning, leading, and it was through SFT that I was able to connect with a network of amazing people and receive training that remains with me today. I later served on the SFT board for 7 years, where I got to know some of the most dedicated activists I've ever met in my life. I witnessed firsthand how SFT has built really a truly global network of students and young people working for the freedom of Tibet. And I think it's impossible to overstate how much SFT has brought a new creativity and a vitality and a real sense of sort of smart, strategic campaigning to the global Tibet movement. You know, SFT accomplishes so much on such a modest budget, and it's really one of the best investments for Tibetan freedom that I know. So I hope you'll join with me and others in committing to be one of the 108 for Tibet.